guys, welcome to my series Let's Cook Front End. This video is basically for a student or someone who is trying to land into job as a front-end developer in software industry. Let me tell you my friends, studying from basic geeks to geeks or this website won't help. It will help you at a basic level, but if you want to land in a good company or perform good in industry level, then it won't help. Only a guidance from a experienced person will help. For example, if you want to learn map at industry level, then studying this kind of example won't help. But studying this kind of example will definitely help in industry because it contains objects, arrays, and it is complex data structure which actually industry has. So if you want to learn front end from top to end, then please subscribe my channel. Also, if you want study material which have the industry level kind of data structures and arrays and API responses, then please ping me on my LinkedIn or Instagram. Thank you.